This is not detailed enough to operationalize it. So another way of looking at this, or the next level of detail at which we can look, is through what is called the project spiral. You can look at the PPT, which is the slide which is shown on the screen now. You can actually see there are multiple spirals, all of which flow back to the project design. Of course, when we say project, our concern here is with the government project. So all of the spirals flow back to the design itself. So the outermost spiral is extremely important. It takes into account the environmental factors, the social factors, the political factors, the cultural, economic, technological. We did briefly discuss that projects are born from the ideas or from the mind of one or a few individuals, but before they actually come to fruition, they have to be vetted, they have to be subject to discussions, validation. And this is where the different points of view play an important role. Socially or culturally, certain segments of the population may not have access to ICT, may not have access to technology, may not be physically mobile. So how do these factors affect our idea of this e-government initiative? So the outermost spiral looks at the environmental factor. So I need to validate, I need to place my ideas, my concepts against each of these elements in the environment. The spiral below the environment spiral talks about identification and preparation. This, of course, we talked a bit about it. It talks about from ideas to the concepts to investigation to looking at the feasibility and the results. The spiral below this goes a little deeper, a little bit more involved. We'll talk a little bit more about it in the next few minutes. This is where we actually collect data and perform data analysis, and based on the results we decide whether to keep or drop the projects. And of course, once the spiral crosses these layers, then we are ready for implementation.